is Friday. So I have been up in the salon already this morning. I've just done a waxing appointment. So I've got another big appointment coming up. I've got about an hour before the next appointment. I've just come back in the house and I've just got some mail. And this one, I'm quite intrigued because I had to pay £2 to receive this one. And I don't know what it is. It says the sender didn't send enough postage, so I want to open this up and see what it is, because I don't even know what it is. So let's have a look. So it's in a jiffy bag. It almost looks like it should have been an Amazon. It feels like an empty jiffy bag. Let's try and open this up. I really have no idea whatsoever what this could be. Oh my god, it feels... When you open it, there's actually nothing in there. Are you actually kidding? It's an empty jiffy bag. What the actual hell? Is that a con? So that has come from the Royal Mail, and it's a jiffy bag which is empty, which I've just had to pay £2, but it's empty. What the actual hell? No, I'm not happy about that. I've just noticed on the top of the barcode in small, just being cut off, it says Hobbycraft. Why would Hobbycraft send me an empty envelope? Just an empty jiffy bag. Something is not right. So I've just spoken to Hobbycraft customer services, and she said that they don't use Royal Mail for delivery, but I said it's got the like round number, as if it's been on a delivery van, and that's the round it was on. And then it actually came with a postwoman, so it's come with Royal Mail, and it's got the Royal Mail stamp and sticker and everything. So I paid Royal Mail, and she says it sounds like either an envelope was just sent out in their postage thing by error, and a label was just put on an empty envelope. And I said, well, that's fair enough. I said, but I've paid £2 for this empty envelope that you've sent maybe in error. I said, so I'm not happy about that. So I've just had to send pictures and a copy of my email receipt that I paid to customer services, and then we'll see if they refund me. But if that's what you're going to get every time you order on Hobbycraft online, then that's not good. If that's how they've got your details and that's what they do. So let's see if I get a response back from Hobbycraft. I'm not happy about that this morning. So I'm going to just wait for my client to come, and then let's get doing some nails. Nails, pedicure and waxing I'm doing next. Last night I thought I would get started, or try to finish this Christmas decoration. So you know I showed you the other two that I made. So that's halfway done, this one. And I don't know if I'm actually going to have enough beads. I mean, I have got more beads than that. Doing this one yesterday, I actually snapped 2 beading needles. So I need to find another needle and see if I can finish it. But I thought I'd only done like a little tiny section, and then I'd left it. It's been left for about 2 weeks. So I wanted to try and finish it because it's going to be Christmas next week. So I've got just under half left to finish, but I need to get another needle. I need to find a needle in my stash and try and finish that. But that looks like it'll be another cute design, doesn't it? So I realised I've been so busy doing other things and working and everything else that goes on in my life that I hadn't even gone into my bead box that came at the beginning of the month. So it's about time I reveal to you what's actually inside the bead box. So this is how it gets posted through your letterbox, and we'll open it up. So each month you get a different project and it all comes wrapped in here, and then there's the discount code if you remember, and then here is a picture of what the project is for that month. So this month it's what they call in switchies, so they're little beaded pendants, different types, and then there's a little extra project which is a sparkle spacer snowman. So you open up your tissue paper, and in here is a box full of goodies. So the first thing we'll look at is you get your kit. So this is an extra kit that comes in, and it's a sparkle spacer snowman, and the last few kits that I've had, they're always themed to around the month that you get. So in the Halloween one I got some pumpkin earrings to make, so in here you'll get the beads, and that'll be to make this snowman. So I might actually leave that out and make that today because they're like really quick to make. And then in here will be the instructions of how to make these charms, so it'll be like pictured instructions. So that's for that one, and then it's got the other one on the back, and there's just a information sheet. And then in here are all the different charms and beads, all different types of beads that you're going to need for this kit or this project. And then every month there's like a Facebook live tutorial that you can go back and watch and just find out, like, or if you're better to watch instruction rather than read it. So this is what comes in, all these different beads. There's a chain there which is part of the project, some Nymo, more bicones, and then every month you'll get a selection of free beads which are normally colour coordinated to the actual box itself, just in case you wanted to match anything or any projects. So in this one we've got some black beads. Look at these matte red beads. They're like some, what are they, brass, I don't know if you can tell, but these are brass beads, and then smaller bicones. So that's a free gift, and every month you'll get a stash of free beads, and then you'll soon make a collection of beads in your kit. So that's that. I keep all that in there till I'm ready to make up my project. At the moment I've probably got too much going on, but when I'm ready for a bit of crafting I'll come back to this box and I'll do that. But what we might actually do today is do this sparkle spacer snowman. So this is the sparkle spacer snowman charm. So we'll open that up, and in there you get the instructions. And what we actually need is my beading mat. So I've laid out all the sparkle spacers on my beading mat, and I'm going to try and follow the instructions. My head pin is a bit bent, but you cut off the end anyway. So we're going to start with 1 4mm. There is the snowman. So now we just need to cut this head pin and turn it into a loop. So I've just cut that head pin. I'm going to take that, and I'm not good at doing these bits. appointment done. I am now just prepping some dinner. I'm cooking a pasta sauce, so minced meat, like a bolognese sauce as such. So I'm just browning off some meat, and then I'm cooking that, and then I have to pack a bag because I'm actually doing a mobile appointment tomorrow for one of my long-term clients. I have to go and do her nails, so I'm going to pack my bag, cook dinner, and then that's it I think for this vlog today. Hope you've enjoyed seeing the bead box that I showed you. I know it's been a while, I got it at the beginning of the month, but I hope you've enjoyed that. Come back for tomorrow's video, and until then, have a good night. Bye.